some chairs that I like very much. Yeah, it looks like this. I have the melody one, the tree trunk one, and then the dog one, and the tiger one. The tree trunk one looks like this. It has this, and then like this. Inside that it is balloon. Yeah, and then this is looks like this, and then the hand can come off very easily. It just need to pull up. Yeah. Then it's basically looks like this. Then this melody one is nothing special. Only the face is like this. And the tiger one looks like this and nothing special anymore. Yep, this is what I bought from HarperSport, and then the shop is closed already. I don't know why. So, but if you find it, you can just find the shop which sell this kind of thing. You can tell me, and please subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.